Welcome to your Grad Bash Party Hero Kit. In this video, we'll show you how to make a beautiful balloon garland step by step so you can get a clean and polished result. You can pause the video anytime if you need. First, inflate all balloons to the specified sizes, making sure they're round, not pear-shaped. If a balloon looks too long, gently release a bit of air until it becomes perfectly round, then tie a secure knot. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Next, create a string of 6 linking balloons by tying their ends together. You can cut the tails for a polished and clean look. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Then, tie the 12-inch and 10-inch balloons in pairs by knotting their ends, and form clusters of 4 or 6 by twisting the pairs together. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. After that, group the 5-inch balloons into clusters of 3 by twisting them together. Join 2 clusters using uninflated 260 balloons. You should end up with 2 connected clusters of 3. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Now, start building your garlands. Thread one end of a balloon cluster through the larger hole in the garland strip, then slide it into the smaller hole to lock it in place. Continue adding clusters, alternating colors along the strip. You will make 2 small garlands of the same size. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. You can hang your garland on hooks on the wall or use a stand, turn it into a balloon arch, or style it in any way that works best for your setup. At the end, add your 5-inch clusters and foil balloons, wrapping a 260 balloon around the garland to secure everything. Use glue dots to attach the linking balloon strings and finish by adding your banner. And that's it! Your beautiful balloon garland is ready for your celebration.